Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I am going to showing that how to find trending reels and trending effects in our Instagram. And without wasting your time now, let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our video. And so in this video I am going to showing that how to find trending reels in our Instagram and how to find some of the trending effects from in our Instagram. And now here you can see more of the videos has been created in my Instagram account. Here you can see more of the effects are in our Instagram, and this is the one of the trending effects in our Instagram in the past of this month. And now let's check how to create this type of trending reels in our Instagram. And at first you want to just tap the plus icon from here, or you can also select it from your story. And after selecting this reels, and you want to just select the reels option in the create option. And here I am selecting reels, and after that you can see more of the effects are below in this application or this Instagram. You can see more of the effects are showing here. And if the effects are not showing here, you can also select the effects from the effect option in the top of this capturing button. And after that you want to just select the search option from here, or you can also select it from the trending option from here. And after selecting the trending, here you can see all the effects in our Instagram will available here, and you can see red glitch, cuteness, hotness, and smoke flare, and etc. And by using this you can select one of the effects from here, and after selecting the effect just scroll down this explore page, and after that just click this capture button, and after that just going back to the home screen once again. And by using this method you can capture or you can use all the effects in our Instagram or the trending effects from our Instagram. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.